Hey, good morning, everybody. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Wish this Deepavali brings lot of prosperity, happiness, and health to you. So, in continuation of my, the videos which I keep on posting regarding health and wellness, today I'm going to take you through a very, very important aspect of especially the busy professionals, busy students, busy housewives. You know what happened nowadays? The trend is that we are so much engrossed, we are so much stressed with our job that we lose focus. We tend to lose focus on our day-to-day, living. And the biggest casualty, what I have seen, is our food habit, especially the professionals or the students, who are always outside, who leave home early, come home late. The biggest casualty and the biggest you know the problem and the concern is the area of what they eat. As a professional having work experience of about 20 years, 21 years, I have faced it and I have suffered it. But now, past 1 year, I've tried to brought a lot of changes in my food habit. And everything comes out of the gut. You would have heard that our gut is the second brain. So how our food habits, impacts, and how the stress impacts our food habit, I will put it like this way. So generally what happens, most of us nowadays live in the cities, and we have to leave early, and that happens because we sleep late. So when we have to leave early, we will wake up late in the morning, and then we'll rush somehow. We'll grab a couple of biscuits and a cup of tea, and then rush to office. And then, as usual, we have to get engrossed in our office job, get too much stressed. Sometimes we have to skip our lunch, or sometimes we have to manage some very small and minuscule lunch. And sometimes it could be whatever we come across during the working hours, we'll grab it. We are in the meeting since, say, for example, since 11 o'clock till 3 o'clock in the evening, afternoon. We have skipped our lunch. All the sudden, 4 o'clock, what we will be doing? We will be ordering the foods from the food apps, or go outside, have some chicken burger with double loaded cheese, some packs of fries, and a glass of cold drinks. That's all. Then again, evening, after finishing the work, we'll be leaving home, we'll be reaching home late. Whole day, as you have seen, we have not taken sufficient food, we'll feel hunger, and will tend to do stress eating. Once we reach home, our family members, our wife, our husband, our mother will think that this guy is working very hard, so let us cook a good food for him. So a lot of pakora and chicken, a lot of rich foods will be there at our table at 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night, which will devour, which is very obvious because the body needs the food, and when the whole day you have not taken good food, you will feel hunger. Secondly, during the course of the work, during the business of the work, we tend to be dehydrated. We don't drink enough water. Maybe because because the time doesn't permit, or we don't tend to feel, because most of the days, we are sitting in the air condition, so our body doesn't dehydrate. So as a result, we don't feel thirsty, and we don't drink water also. So as a result, what happen, when the water is not there, our stomach is empty. In evening, we'll be too much stress. So, and lot of things are going in our mind, so we'll don't look at the food, we'll reach devour all the rich foods which is cooked at the home, or maybe which has been brought from the takeaway. And as a result, what happens, we completely damage our body. You know how and why? I'll take you through that. In evening, like every machine, where our body also needs a rest. Our body requires immense rest. And when I say that our body requires immense rest, our body requires complete seclusion and peace. When you are stuffing our body, our stomach, with lot of food, then the entire energy system of the body get involves in digesting the food. So the energy or the metabolism which was required for the body to take rest and rebuild during the night at a peaceful sleep, our body is busy digesting the food. So when our body is busy digesting the food, our body we don't take complete rest, we don't have a proper sleep, and we wake up in the morning, we are half asleep, we are not well. As a result, this causes a lot of anxiety, lot of restlessness, and which finally results into hypertension, which finally results into depression and high blood pressure and other so many elements, because we open a door of series of elements in our body. So today I'm going to give a very important tips on the nutrition aspect, friends. When you are in a very high stress job, and I'm telling you for my past 1 year of experience, when you are living in a high stress job, be very particular about your food. I repeat once again, be very particular about what you are eating. Be very humble of what you are eating. I say, if I have an extremely high stress job, I am very busy, I will completely cut down on a spicy and oily food. I will completely cut down on sugary foods. I would prefer that I will go for a boiled vegetable, I'll go for a sprouts, I'll go for nuts, I'll go for a lot of fruits. And that will always also help you to align your time management with the food. For example, suppose if I'm in a very high stress job, I'm not getting time to open my tiffin box and eat, or morning, say for example, if both husband and wives are working and there is no time to cook the food, what stops me in carrying a ball of sprout? What stops me in carrying 3, 4 ripe banana and some apples? Banana will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to eat. At the lunchtime also, even if I'm very busy, even if I'm traveling in taxi, if I'm going outside waiting at reception, I can just take my banana and eat. And you know that these fruits and all, even if you are eating fast, it will not cause any harm. Any other food, if you are eating very fast, if you are not properly chewing it, it will be difficult to digest and it will impact your digestive system. But if you are eating fruits, you'd have heard that fruits take hardly 45 minutes and 1 hour to digest. So even if you just munch and grab it, it won't impact your digestion. It will help your body, it will support your body, and your body will not be stressed. You are already stressed with the job. Your adrenaline rush is high, your BP is high, your stress level hormones are very high in the body, and at the same time, if you are putting too much stress on our body to digest complex foods, that's even going to do further damage. I shouldn't tell you, but I'll tell you, in a high stress job as it is, it's a killer. And a complex food, rich food, a spicy and oily food is another killer. So make your food very simple, especially those professionals who are in a very high stress job. Keep your food very simple. Eat lot of sprouts, eat lot of fruits, lot of vegetables. Vegetables need not be cooked in too much oil. You can put some small half spoon of oil. You can boil it and have it. You feel, let me tell you, a tasty and oily and rich food only good for your tongue. It is extremely damaging for your body. Let me tell you, it's extremely damaging for your body, and not only that, it impacts your entire composite structure of your body. It affects your body, it affects your mind, it affects your soul, and finally, it impacts your performance, whether in your personal life, in your professional life. You will be completely anxious, you will not be able to focus on your work, and that will impact your relationship with your boss, that will impact your relationship within the family. So let me tell you, friends, the success, according to me, the success starts with what food you are eating. Once you eat your food, you will feel lighter, you will be more energetic, you will be more nimble, you will be more agile, you will tend to do exercise, you will be fit. And all these lessons, all these informations, where I got, I would like to give credit to one gentleman called Mr. Ashok. He runs Bodhi Yoga Academy in Hyderabad. It's a Hyderabad Bodhi Yoga Academy, but it's an internationally very acclaimed and famous yoga school globally. I joined Bodhi Yoga Academy in the first week of June, and let me tell you, friends, in 2 months, it completely changed my life. It completely changed my life. I used to be a bulky guy, 45, 44-year-old bulky guy, 95 kg weight, completely distraught, completely anxious, not feeling to do anything, always lying on the bed and thinking negative things. Once I joined Bodhi Yoga Academy, it completely made my life disciplined. They taught me like a child how to eat, how to speak, how to keep yourself fit. I must recommend that everybody who wants to change and transform your life, let me tell you, friends, anxiety and stress is just like a labyrinthian hole. The more you get, the more you get into that. You have to today wake up and find out, put your foot down and find out the solution. And the solution rests with you. That is nothing, that is only your physical habit and your food. I will keep the food habit number one, and second comes the physical habit. That will automatically translate into your physical habit. You don't have to do anything. So wish you all a very very happy Diwali. I would like to give this message to all of you on this Diwali day. Please take care of your body. Please follow what I have said, and let me tell you, you follow it for 1 month, it will completely change your life. You will see, yes, what advice I have got. One thing, once you are in a, again I'm repeating you, once you are in a very highly stressed job, please come down completely from oil, fat and high carbohydrate to fruit, vegetables and water. Keep yourself lot of hydrated. Again I'm telling you, it may not initially, I won't say it may not, initially it may not be good for your taste, but let me tell you, it will be completely good for your mind, body and soul. All the best and take care.